Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Continuing Education, SOCE. Certificate Programs. Certificate in Nutrition and Child Care, CNCC, revised. CNCC 2 Organizing Child Care Services. Block 7 Organizing a Child Care Center. Unit 30 Planning the Curriculum. The necessity for planning the curriculum. It gives a direction to your activities in the center. You will be clear what abilities and skills you are fostering in children. You may otherwise put more emphasis on some aspects of development and neglect others. Stages in planning a curriculum. Stating the long-term goals. Breaking down each long-term goal into short-term goals. Identifying the play activities related to the short-term goals, formulating daily and weekly schedules. Evaluating play activities and children's progress. Long-term goals. Long-term goals are the skills, abilities, concepts and values that you expect the children to acquire after they have completed their stay at the center. These should focus on all-round optimal development of children. When these are based on the needs, abilities and interests of children, then the program is child-centered and appropriate to their developmental level. Depend upon the ages of children coming to the center. Physical and motor goals for infants, toddlers and preschoolers. Cognitive goals for infants, toddlers and preschoolers. Language goals for infants, toddlers and preschoolers. Social goals for infants, toddlers and preschoolers. Emotional goals for infants, toddlers and preschoolers. Short-term goals. You may have monthly, bi-monthly or quarterly short-term goals. Emerge from the immediate needs and interests of children. Long-term goals broken down into short-term goals. Short-term goals are more specific than the long-term goals and give you an idea about the kind of play activities that can be organized with children. Selecting play activities to meet short-term goals. Formulating daily schedules. After identifying play activities, you have to string them together into a daily schedule. A major factor influencing how you formulate the day's schedule is the age of the children. Some activities should be planned for each area of development in the week's schedule. Each activity contributes development in many areas. During the day, activities for vigorous play are must. There should be some indoor and some outdoor play activities. Must be balanced between structured activities and free play activities. Must organize both group and individual activities. Must carry out some activities that the children are familiar with and some that are new for them. The schedule of activities should be at a reasonable pace throughout the day. Schedules for preschoolers. First fix those activities in the daily schedule, which are generally carried out at a specific time each day. Then fit in other play activities. Routine activities, arrival of children, snack time, going home. Play activities can take up theme for a day or spread the activities related to the theme across week or fortnight. Half-day schedule, checking charts. Look at the screen. Involving children. In deciding the play activities. Can suggest the places they would like to visit. In deciding the arrangements and decoration of the room. Managing a large group of children, make clear to children what they cannot do. Avoid situations where children are likely to get into fights. Divide children into smaller groups and get them busy in different activities. Good sense of humor. Involve parents in helping you manage the children. Schedule for older toddlers. Do not organize many group activities for toddlers. Narrating stories and making collage are some group activities. Painting, drawing, working with clay, playing with blocks and toys will be individual activities. Keep material for 4 to 5 activities ready and ask children to do as they wish. Encourage flexibility. Timings of arrival and departure not fixed. Schedule for infants and younger toddlers. Need frequent feeding and resting periods during the day. Keep activities and play material ready. One caregiver can attend 2 to 3 infants at a time. Flexibility and structure in the daily schedule. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more updates, and we will see you with the next chapter.